This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact audio you want. Pick a clear segment under 40 seconds because iPhone uses that length for ringtones. Open Ringtone Maker, grant files and media permissions so the app can read your tracks, and locate the file in the app browser. Once done, trim to the intended start and end points. Use zoom for precise cuts. Make sure to preview the looped section so you hear how it repeats. This avoids abrupt fades once it becomes your ringtone. Now focus on shaping the sound. Zoom the waveform, set start and end markers with fine increments, and listen for silence or unwanted clicks. Apply a short fade in and fade out if the cut is abrupt, and normalize the clip so it matches phone volume levels. This prevents sudden loudness. When the audio sounds right, export it in the ringtone format the app offers, typically M4R or AAC. Name the file clearly so you can find it quickly when syncing to your iPhone. Finish by moving the ringtone onto your iPhone. Connect via cable and use Finder or iTunes to import the M4R into tones, then sync. Once synced, open Settings Sounds and Haptics Ringtone and pick your new tone. If it does not appear, make sure the file is under 40 seconds and has the M4R extension, then resync. If problems persist, restart the phone and retry the sync. Often a quick reboot resolves recognition or permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.